Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, TFX? Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. Getting the eye boogers out of my eye, right? We're gonna get right into this market, but let me know how you guys doing. Let me know how everybody's doing. If you got the notifications, let me know. I'm gonna play a little music and go right and switch my screens in a second. You know the vibe.
Turn me out.
Hey, yo, Tyrell made that hoe?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Where you from in the chat? Let
What's
me know.
good?
Just like
Tell you now.
Look, probably out here mobbing, out here stomping shit. Them trade niggas crazy, we be out here thumping shit. You get in car cause you not who you thought you is. Whole life been frontin' for them cameras, bitch. Now we back to the block, buying up the block. Niggas claiming that they hot, but you ain't fucking hot. On YouTube, start capping, sir cap a lot. Keep a blaming cause I talk my shit and back it up. Niggas acting like they bad, you ain't bad as us. I keep my name in the market like a runner up. Then run it up because fucking about to run it up. It's house money anyway, I accept the love. Phone hot, won't touch the shit without the glove. I mean, I get to this level, you will see what's up. I take your little money and run it to 1,000. And when I'm done, I flip this shit and sit in like 10. Put a whole chicken out before it burn again. Stuff that ticket in my pocket cause I'm born to win. It's trade game and it's the code, gotta profit the wins. You can't even hold the pot cause you might burn your hands. From the west to Long Beach, I had to turn it up. It's trade or die, my lifestyle out here turning up. Popping bottles cause you know we bout to run it up. Blue numbers on the board, that's the money run.
Let's get it, let's get it. So right now, what I'm doing, I'm just marking up this DXY and then I'm about to slide. I sent you guys a signal, a GU, right? I sent you not GU or GJ. So let's get it. So we got price basically pulling back, right? Pulling back to a lower high. Could it get in trend? We're about to see in a second. Although when I notice this lower high, I see that we're also near this on the 4 hour. This would be kind of considered like a resistance zone, right? Low resistance. So could it bank off here and continue dropping? That's what we're expecting to see this morning, or it could continue powering through to the top side. Let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. All right. No real action on gold right now. Price just sitting in consolidation. It's got a little range from 68 to 83, so a little $20 range for the day. We still got price chilly here at this little demand zone. Every time it gets here, it's not breaking, so it ain't breaking, right? So this could be sitting as a solid support right here. It could be sitting as a solid support. So I would definitely be looking at trying to get in gold and get cracking. What I would do if I were you, I wouldn't buy gold until, what's this, 82 or 80? It's like $5 away. So boom, green candlesticks print. You enter about 81 and then more green candlesticks print, right? So what's this price? 1781 for gold, right? Buy. Right. Yeah, still red. So for me, if it gets under 73, we got to get on this 5-minute scalp. If it gets under 73, that's like 30 pips away. You could take a quick short, right, underneath 73, and it close at 70 for 30 pips. If it keeps dropping, you can go ahead and get paid like that, right? So I have to change my bias if it shows me differently, right? I have to change my bias if it shows me differently. Good morning to all y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's go to us 30. That's already on the push though. Here's that retest candlestick right here. So low key, you kind of missed that retest right out of that previous demand zone. But I feel like price should still keep rising, right? Especially with this morning, I feel like it should keep rising. So if you're not in, I wouldn't buy it until 34,165. That's after we get a break. 34,165 for US 30, right? 34,165. And then you pretty much, you know, buying over this whole little joint so you can get cracking. So 34,165. And these are scalps too, you feel me? So that's why we off the 5. We entered off the 5-8 for these. I'm gonna set my plays up too. This shit goes back that quick. I'm about to just go ahead, set that up real quick. So I'm setting up a play for myself on this US 30. On my charts, price is at 148, 138, my bad. So I'll show you. Hold on. All right, so my charts, price is at Already got what traded. I don't know if you can see that shit. Already got what traded. So price at 138, right? Over here where I'm looking at 160 is already pretty much popped, but I'm about to just go ahead and pop a buy right on top of this motherfucker. You feel me? And since I already got one in, I basically can hold it. Go ahead and do it like this. Do it like this. Easy call. So I just placed a little trade in there. Right? Just placed the trade. So I got one in at the bottom. You can see that's holding, and then I just got another one in at this top. That's pushing right now. Phone about to die and shit, but it is what it is. So that's that. Do I feel like 30 still gonna push this morning? I do. No, this is where it is for you guys. I said get in at 34,165. So 34,165. You can buy that hoe. See, if you be on track with me though, you would have shit holding. You could just be adding on, but you know what I mean? It is what it is. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. So we gonna slide to this young NAS pack real quick. If you're not already in this Nasdaq, next buy 13,974. 40 points away. About right here. All right. From the hour, like I know it's boring right now because we ain't got no music player to do that, but for the hour, this is how we rock it. This is how we vibing. For the 4 hour, this is how we vibing. Really, on the 4 hour, you got this double bottom right here. You know what I'm saying? So we waiting for that joint to go ahead and break up out of there and go make some new highs for us. You know what I mean? That's what we waiting for right now. Right now. Right. That's what we're waiting for right now. GU. All right. This is still at the upside. Clear this up out of here. Go to the hour. That's what you got for the hour. If you're not in this already, right? If you're not in this already, price could break under here, under 600. Anything under 600, I'll be closing those buys out. You know, anything under 6, like this is 600 right here, and then looking to change bias. Right now, I'm not gonna change bias. Right? I'm gonna play it like this. That's because I got a buy in at the bottom of this motherfucker too. Because I could see, I thought this was a higher low, which it looks like it, especially, you know, in this new little trend that price is forming right now. Now you want to hop in. The next buy you could take 138.913. So I know it's pulling back down, but look, man, don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Price pulls back and moves forward. So could it keep trying to drop to the downside? It's a possibility, but when you trade this motherfucker from a higher time frame, shit, we got a piercing line on the 4 hour forming. You feel me? So I ain't really tripping about that. I know it takes all those little baby movements to make some big movements. You feel me? All right. We already got price pushing back up right now. Let's get it. Like I said, we gotta have some music and stuff because this shit, you know how I get with this shit. Like, what I want you to do though is tell me while I go find another trade. I'm about to find another trade in a second, right? But tell me. What's your favorite thing to do while you're waiting for your trade to develop? While you're waiting for your trade to run? Shit, while you're waiting for your trade to pick up, what's your favorite thing to do? Let me know. Let me know in the chat right now. I got my comments pulled up, so let me know.
And I'm playing. Say this that motherfucker. Say this that motherfucker. Just that motherfucker, ay, keep that cool on smash. Look, guaranteed that I'ma keep my foot on the dash. Look, rock out the bun and put my boot on the ash. Walk away and put the loot in the stash. Ay, say crack kills, but so do record deals. I'd rather trade or die if we talking record spins. Back to checking chins, be a trillionaire. But first, look, ay, let me check the stands and go 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4. Ay, get socked, rock, block, down at your show. Niggas wearing suits, but I'm back to where.
We could check out Bitcoin too, but I pretty much gave y'all Bitcoin on Sunday. I think I told you 50,200 or some shit like that, or 50. I don't remember what. You got to check my Sunday live on YouTube. But I know for sure I gave you Bitcoin because I ate off that motherfucker and cashed out. I'm not holding right now. For me, usually I just do quick ass scalps. Get in, boom, quick ass scalps, boom, get out. You feel me? Wait for the opportunity again. Get in. Put some more in that motherfucker, quick ass scalp, boom, opportunity, get out. I could buy and hold this motherfucker to the next little wave, but because this is a crazy ass engulf it, right? But one thing I know is that this is the daily. Prices shot up fucking hella already. So I just kind of expect price to pull back a little bit, you know, before it continues moving forward. So it's like, so I can keep my gains for today. I just cash out, boom. I could take partials, but you know, ain't nobody tripping. It's motherfucking Bitcoin. You gonna always eat off this shit. That's that 4 hour though. So let's say you want to try to get in. Like I said, the price is high. The price is extremely high. If you're able to buy, right? If you're able to buy again, I would get into 54, 1. What is this? Because at least we get a breakout. 54, 1, 15. 54, 1, 15. All right, 54, 115. Drink so why? That's the wave. That's the wave. He said smoke and play the game. That's the wave too. Chaz bro said either hop on the game or watch some Impractical Jokes. I think that's solid too. That's a vibe. Let's go to Euro USD. All right, so this is actually a nice pullback, right? It's actually a nice pullback. And it's crazy because if you check the Sunday live, this is the area we thought this motherfucker was going to pull back to, and it's chilling there right now. Would I buy this motherfucker? Not right now, but I'll show you where. Because I feel like, okay, now it's in a zone. Like, boom, it's at its higher low, and it's going to pull back and go to the top side. So I'm going to show you where to go ahead and hop in. Just wait 10 pips. 32. So 127.32. Buy. Yes, it could keep dropping further. I would take another short until price gets to like 565 on the 5-minute scalp. 565 on the 5-minute scalp. Dollar agree right now. We'll probably get to 91. It did drop. We'll see. It sound like a motherfucking library here. It sound like a library here. I gotta put some joints on. Sound like a library in here right now. Hold on. I got y'all. You probably like, nah, Ty, man, we gotta go up. We got that OD on forex. I'm gonna play that too.
Yeah. Okay, pop up in command, and we got the band drums. Let the silence fade away. I'm brigadier the anthem. Bought a little homies active and they gonna ransoms. In the market with the gooey sticky money last long. Keep the equity on tilt so you know I can stand the sun. Have them holler shaking tip toeing like a dancer. Hit them tick.
So a pullback for me, but as you can see, I already had a trade in that had equity, so I could eat this little drawdown. For you shouldn't be in US 30 yet. All right, you shouldn't be in US 30 yet. Shit, I might double up. I don't know. I'll see what it's gonna do. I'm trading a long term anyway, so I really don't even give a fuck If it retests 34,096 and start showing me green there, I'll probably buy again. But you guys shouldn't even be in, you feel me, until 34,165. So I don't know what price I gave you on Nasdaq, but this motherfucker's moving to the top side. So wherever, you feel me, I gave you for that, you should be running it up off that joint right now. I think I got a Nasdaq ready too. Oh yeah. This particular, what is that? 13, what does that shit say? 13,810. So that's a cool little floater right now. And really playing long term, I'm still at a good place, you feel me? Let's see. We need to go to, so as I press buy, that shit went right into profit. But I got equity, so it's still gonna hold. That was on Nasdaq. So that was the second buy. That shit at the top. I don't know if you can see him. I know it could probably pull back, but like I said, like that's why I be telling y'all to have motherfucking equity. Be taking these trades with me. If you look at some of the trades I call, you see some of the long term shit. Then you be over here, get over here to scalp a little bit. Nigga, let that shit run. I'm waiting for GU to get off though. That's really what I want to see run. I'm gonna show you GU on the hour. Nasdaq about to break again too. There we go. Outro. I need to play some music though, cause you know how this shit go. Get bored just looking at these charts go up and down. No cap.
Talk dances, fireworks, go blast them. Put a richer mill on stocks, that's that growth of index funds. Raise your motherfucking conscience, bitch, I'm on the last lane. Hope you get the Mona Lisa and we on the same page. Keep my sanity in peace and peace to learn the same way. Man, I piece together.
The buy is coming up for GU. Get ready.
Pretty pussy, I say please, she give me cookie. Ayo, last man was a rookie, like I'm fucking off a bean. Little bitch, I'm a lion out the cage. When I'm done, then it's back to the road, to the bank. Bitch, it's all about the money and the automation wave. This shit flowing and I'm dripping in Tyllionaire, okay. She say she don't got the money, so little mama cannot pay. Baby, I only fuck with bosses, so you better hold your weight. This that rich dick, baby, I can open up that gate. This that hit stick, baby, I can go control that way.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. There you go. Your entry should have just hit. Your entry should have just hit. Your entry should have just smacked those GU. Alright. So run that shit up, man. Stop playing. Now I need to see what's good with this USD Mexican. That peso we going up. Let's get over to that peso. We're gonna come back to GU. Y'all do what you need to do. Here go that Euro USD. That's getting ready to get on the move too. I don't know if it activated for you or not yet. It could have, because you know the spread or whatever, but we getting close, right? So let's go over there. Got that dollar going ahead and dying off. She gonna bleed. She gonna bleed. Don't even trip. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Oh yeah, definitely. So I'm getting ready to short this motherfucker too. Alright. The short I want is about right here. 19. What is that? 853. And then I'm gonna just take that shit all the way through. Feel me? So let me get this motherfucker set up. USD, MXN. Let's set this play up, nigga. Come on, man. Alright, so I gotta fucking trailer stop it. Let me not trailer stop. Sell stop. 119.85052. 119.85052. Sure. So y'all be able to eat off that. Y'all be able to eat off that. Do I think that's doing what? Oh, GJ? All right, I'll go over there right now for you. I'll go over there right now for you. Because I think I did call that one out of the group. So let me go over there for you. Let's pull it back a little bit. But, I mean, if you look at your trade, you're not really, like, bleeding. So, to give you confirmation, it's the daily. Probably end up around here for the day. 150-600. All right. So just wait on it. 150-600. We should be going up. Especially with GU about to rise in a minute. Like, how you know GU about to rise? Go look at it. Go look at it. Shit not booming right now, so we're not getting no shit. But dollar bleeding though, so I ain't trip. Nasdaq still moving. Us 30 getting ready to take off again. You feel me? So y'all not getting here in until 165. So your entry not even yet. I mean, if you want an earlier entry for my early birds, my little shooters, 132 buy, 141 buy, 165 buy. You said 14,400 on NAS? Run that shit, run that shit. That's fire too. That's fire too. We could do that. But you already know, like, I don't like that boring shit. So let's get cracking right now, you know what I'm saying? Man, where you guys from in the chat? Let's just, like I said, let's keep this thing live. Let's keep this thing live. Let's keep this thing live, you feel me? Let's keep this thing live. I'm about to go ahead and go pull up some different music real quick. Music make me lose control.
What's good?
Tyllionaire.
Hella people been sending dance videos to this joint too. Like, it's really been a vibe, you know what I'm saying? To see like this forex music really start taking form in different industries, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna keep pushing. You feel me? Let's get it. But like I said, like, let's chat, man. What's up? What's up? What's up? We waiting for these trades to develop and kick off and shit. And you know, trading is patience. Trading is, you know, waiting. Trading is chilling, vibing, doing what we doing right here. You know what I mean? So this is how we move. I need to go to my comments so we can get cracking and I can hear y'all. Well, listen, you know what I mean.
Go crazy, baby.
Back with another one. Hey, I'm back with another one. Big collection, gold edition, it's that 101. This that NFT league, had to do it to him. In the league, have him flipping off that roof, ayy. Turn it up and how your speaks, knocking and booming, ayy. My meta trader still running off in that room, ayy. They cook the pound down the trade off in that coupe, what? That NASDAQ hitting hard about the recluse, ooh. That pack of loud when you are that light, ooh. Street sweeper, keep the distance in the pool, bitch. Oh, my Chauncey hit my motherfucking moves. Out of market, easy, call my screws loose. We the outlaws. I fucked the marker off, forgot to wear a stop loss. Hold a trade, if it bustin', I'ma pop off. Put a laser on my head, and I'ma drop off. Fuck it 3 times a day, and then I got on. Hit the burger up on Thursday, withdraw. Then hit the baker up, man, that's a big call. A big ball, big dog. If you step, then we gon' step. Run it up to see the numbers, but I never see the wall. ATI sucked in the engine, I'ma let him have it all. It's not a tune to get my nigga, this shit right here, make you a boss. Level up your fucking loss, become a winner on your guap. Level up your talk, nigga, conversation is the destination. So you're all in legislation and finance. Then you come raw, put on a gas mask. Hit the market every day, blacked out. Wait for your payment, then you go. This the same thing, this the lane change. Money off the rain, mind frame, get get the change, then I get paid and get laid. Look, you probably pay K, but I'd rather let my girl cook. Catalog the dinners 5-star.
All right. Let's get it. Appreciate y'all just, saying, tapping in and shit. We vibing. One thing about me, I'm gonna let this motherfucking market rock and see the whole thing through. If you've been on these lives before, you know how it go. If you're new to these lives, well, this is how it goes. All right. Dollar dying still. Got GU pushing. So your buy stop should have just activated. Let that motherfucker run. What's your favorite chart to take trades off of? Let me know. What's your favorite chart to take trades off of? Let me know. Nasdaq still pushing. The entry was like 55 or some shit. It's like right at the break, wherever the fuck. I don't have a stop. I got equity, so we going, nigga. Nasdaq to the moon, baby, baby. We out, yo. Yeah, if I should have gave you XPX 500, we was out here 20 minutes too. I would have been able to give you that shit from there. You would have been up like 10 points. Anyway, I mean, if you want to buy again, 46, 2 points away. Yeah, somebody hit me up, and then I told bro, I mean, niggas 10, he wanted to do 10 bands. Like, he had a chance to do 5 or 10. You feel me? He was like, oh, let's do 10. Said, let's do 10. Sent that nigga a picture of my ID for me, so he know I was the real Tyler. He sent me a picture too. You feel me? And I'm like, shit, let's get cracking. He said, well, shit, does it have to be live or demo? I said, nigga, live. For sure. I want to put this shit on YouTube. You feel me? Like, yeah, you battle me. For sure you going on YouTube. Fuck you mean? So, that's that. But, shit. And then I told him the shit. I'm like, shit, I mean, we got, what, today? That's when it will start. We can start right now. You know what I mean? Record the shit. Put 10 in a brand new account and run it up. I mean, whoever shit got the craziest number at the end of the week, winner take all. So, I mean, shit, nigga. If you lose your bread, then you owe me 10 bands. That's the number we agreed to. You feel me? If you do 35 and I was to do 65,000, you feel me, in a week from 10 bands, then it's like, nigga, you got to give me that whole 35 bands. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I know GU pull it back right now, but I'm not even worried about that shit. Dollar pull it back too, that's why. So we ain't tripping though. Shit, I'm trying to put mine there, bro. You know what I mean? That's where we was at with it. What's the TP for G? You do like 30, 40 pips on that motherfucker. Like 30, 40 pips on it. You know what I mean? Like 30, 40 pips. It's not gonna just be green. You getting in on the pullback, so you know what I mean? You definitely eating a little bit. I would say if you want to get out though, I would do like 794. Fuck it. And then that's a lost trade. But you be able to float over here, still get busy with that, and then float over here and still get busy with that. So I mean, you be alright. Euro, you ain't there yet. Or if it pull back a little bit, don't even trip. We're still gonna get to crack it to the top side. This dollar had to pull back before it's dropped again. So I don't know. I just see GU pushing up. You know what I mean? I'm not really concerned about this. GJ, let's go over there to GJ. That's one thing about me. Like, I stand by the trades, you feel me? You see what's going on with GJ. Nothing. Consolidation. It just, feel me? So if you can't stomach the risk, fuck it, okay? Close your trade and then buy again. Buy GJ. at 150, 116. Feel me? That'll be a good buy for you. 150, 116. All right. You for Baba? Let's get it. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. So right now, we are just waiting for the market to break out of consolidation, right? Indica or sativa, that's a sativa that I was smoking. That's a sativa that I was smoking. But, you know, we just waiting for the market to break out of consolidation. Whenever it does what it does, then, you know, we'll be able to move accordingly. So right now, like I said, price is just consolidated. What I usually do in consolidation or when this shit is consolidated or, you know, doing this type of movement is I hop on a game, right? Hop on a game. Play Fortnite, Call of Duty, you know, Grand Theft Auto, shit like that. You know what I mean? It helps the time pass by. So, you know, I always have to figure out, you know, how does the time gonna pass by, you know, quicker, especially when you're sitting there waiting for 5-minute candlesticks to print, meaning that every single candlestick is 5 minutes, right? So even in my newest song, I speak about finding something to do while the trades, you know, do what they gotta do. I'm like, yo, go find something to do while the time cook or whatever. However, I said that shit. You feel me? You said, do I got a Nintendo Switch? No, I don't have a Nintendo Switch. I wish the Facebook comments would pop up right here, but I mean, it is what it is. You feel me? It is what it is. All right. Yo, am I selling a sticker on my laptop? Yes, I got a sticker pack dropping. We got a lot of shit dropping soon, though. We got a lot of shit dropping soon. Just really just be tapped in. Like I said, you know, I've been talking about this tour stuff. You probably like, what the fuck is he talking about? But like, I got a lot of stuff dropping soon, you know. But I mean, this is a group for, you know, signals and stuff, so I don't really be in here promoting everything. You know what I mean? The reason I do the music is because like on these live shits, this shit is literally just fucking boring. So before I rather just look at this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather just shit. We try to communicate and, you know what I mean, get it cracking. So this NAS, that's pushing 30, pull back a little bit, but I mean that's what come with trading 30. Dollar's still dying, so we ain't even tripping. That's going. I told you where that's going. You feel me? I already told you where that's going. You ain't gotta worry about it. So, Tyler, what indicator do you use? My eyes. My eyes. All right, so G, you gonna bust on. Like I said, just fuck with me. Fuck with me, and I got you. Feel me? Fuck with me, and I got you. GU is actually the easiest pair to trade in forex, right? The easiest pair to trade in forex is GU. So for anybody who wants a starter, you know, starter kit, right? Starter kit trade, and this young GU is always the young starter kit. Euro USD is like the snail version of this. It's a little bit slower. All right, I'll show you it's a little bit slower at Euro USD. You know what I mean? Got a little inverted head and shoulders right here, a little bit slower, right? So go ahead and pop that in so we can see where the entry was. Yeah, you have your stop here. But you're gonna go take that motherfucker all the way up. Go eat for the day. Alright? You get cracking like that. You get cracking like that. GU going up though. What's good though? What's good? What's good? What's good? Let's keep this live active. Let's keep this live active. Let's keep this thing active. You feel me? And cracking. Let's keep this thing active and cracking. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna help y'all run this bitch up though. I got you. Sky high. Sky high. Run it up. Wherever the fuck that buy was at. 13 is like right there. Yeah, I'll be able to get some good bread off that. You'll be able to get some good bread off that. Is it too late to get on NAS? I feel like NAS pulling back. It's gonna probably try to hit 14,000 today. So you may or may not be able to get into the run to get to that 14,000. You said I don't know which trades will help me boost my account. Yeah, see, you trying to get on NAS100 with a $100 account, bro. You know what I mean? And what you need to do is you need to go fuck with some currencies, GU, go fuck with what is that? Euro USD, you know, shit like that. That's what's gonna get you cracking. You said, how long did it take me? All right, so right now I'm answering questions, so I think this is pretty cool. You guys can't see the questions. I know I'm gonna re-upload this to YouTube. You feel me? Y'all can't see the question on YouTube, but I mean, I'm answering them. So Roscoe said, how long did it take me to get to the point of not having to rely on indicators? So my journey with indicators was basically I've used every single indicator and probably every single system. I've built hella systems and hella little indicator systems and arrangements. All right. So I've used multiple combinations of them, right? I figured, fuck it. The more indicators I had on my chart, obviously that gave me an edge on the market, right? That meant I was smarter. That meant I was better. And then I'm like, hold on. Let me take this shit off real quick. Because what happens if, you know, somebody gives me a computer or a sheet or something where I have to read this chart and those indicators aren't there? Then what are the only things I have to rely on? And that was these two things right here. You feel me? So that's how I got cracking. And that's why I was like, man, I need to turn it into laser eye tie. You feel me? Get it cracking like that. You said, can you expect to see me here tomorrow? Nah, I only do this once a week. You know what I'm saying? So I guess, you know, throughout the week, just be checking the Facebook group and shit, and I'll be uploading what I upload usually. You know what I mean? So I got you. I know it's still library vibes right now, though. Still library vibes right now. I gave y'all gold. I just don't remember where I said to get cracking at. Oh, 81 for sure. It's not there yet then. This shit pulling back. But US 30 gonna do that. So if you're in at 33 pip stop, if you got equity, you can hold. It will try to hit 83 again. You feel me? But this motherfucker, US 30, is about to go bruising to the top side, just like this young Nasdaq. Feel me? So don't let that shit fake you out. GU pulling back, but it's gonna do that. You feel me? You know when to cut your stops, so. The only reason it's pulling back is because it's a part of the game. You feel me? Dollar's still dying, but pulling back. You feel me? I mean, if you watch the candlesticks print, you can literally see the ocean. Like, it don't just drop. It's like, nigga, drop a little bit, and then they got to pull back a little bit, and then they got to drop a little bit. Like, I mean, we sit here and watch this boring ass shit. Now, some people say, oh, it's not boring. But to me, personally, it is, for the simple fact that it's just like, when it's going down, it's going down. And you know how it's going to go down. So, what y'all gonna eat for breakfast this morning? No, what you gonna eat for breakfast this morning? What you got on the menu? 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 If you knew better. Oh, I need to play that. They say that Savvy banging too. What y'all got on the menu this morning? What's good?
They say I'm lost, they say I need some faith. They say I'm everything they say, but we don't speak the same. They say they know my motive, but why I can't relate? Cause I ain't watching nobody that ain't in my lane. All gas, no brakes, while they looking at my back though. Talking with no action while they flipping through these apps though. All these bumper cars don't even recognize the facts though. Dopamine crazy, got them thinking it's a nah. Cause I'm the bad guy, yeah, I'm the devil man. Selfish with myself and I don't give a damn. Got them thinking that they know me but don't know the man. Now they talking about another man. Why you do the things that you do? Easy, cause I gotta do for me, no I ain't gotta do for you. I see you pocket pocket watching, bet you gon' see what this do.
I'm riding they neck with it, fuck your respect with it. People will play you and act like they still did. The smiles looking bright when they hop in your face. Straight up, you know it's mannequin challenge, Pinocchio status. The way people move and be fake. I stay on my hustle so much, I stay in my lane, I stay in my profit. I would say please, but look at the fuck out my way now, straight to the way. Before you say something, it's fuck what you say. I don't owe you shit, so we do not relate. Trying to relax, I just double my weight. Having my cake and I'm eating it too. Nigga, I'm hungry, keep your eyes on your plate. If you gon' wanna throw your bread in the lake, all of the ducks be surrounding the case. If I hop in your bitch, then I'm beating it loose. If I hop in the market, I'm seeing it through. I fuck around and I hop to the finish. They try to take my legs off, I'm never gon' lose. Fuck all that drama, but if it's about comments, if you not with me, then yeah, I'm against you. Bitch, you know my brother's my daughter, a mistress. If it ain't about dollars, I'm not in the room. Shit.
Easy call, easy call, easy call. So, I mean, we waiting for the dollar to keep doing what it's doing. You feel me? Like, man, if I was to go live on YouTube, what I need to get is a bed, right? So while everybody watch the market move, I'll go to sleep, right? Go to sleep, and then when it get to my take profit, it'll have a buzzer. That'll wake me up, you feel me? Like, oh, okay, the price hit, all right, we can go on with the day. You know what I mean? You on grind mode? Run that shit up. Run it up. Run it up. GJ stops. Shit. I mean, usually like a 15, 20 pip stop. You know what I mean? Somewhere around there. So you play it like that. You know. TP for 30. I don't know. Let that motherfucker run. You know. Let it run. See what it's gonna do. Pushing, pulling, doing all type of shit right now. Nasdaq pulling back, about to make a higher low before it makes another high. Let's see what's the other one. XPX5 doing the same thing. GU doing the same thing. Euro USD doing the same thing. You feel me? Like, I want to stay on here until this shit move all the way in profit, but it's like I don't know how long that shit gonna take. That motherfucker moving up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's like, shit, I'm not about to sit on here fucking 3 hours and shit for a trade to go. You feel me? For 3 hours while I sitting there printing on the 5. Cause for sure y'all don't feel like watching me play Fortnite, cause the nigga already 42 minutes in, like, and I'm getting tired as hell. Keep it a bean. Like, trading is simple, but it's boring. You know, you really gotta wait. Like, every candlestick is 5 minutes, every single one. I definitely like trading off the phone better. I like marking shit up on the computer just cause, like, you know, it's bigger. But I like TradingView because it allows me to really, you know, it's like more tools in here. Somebody just follow me on Twitch. That's probably what I do this morning. I get on Twitch, we play some fucking video games and shit. Then I give you updated trades or something like, yo, this what it is. So if you're not on my Twitch already, I can't just sit on here, man. I'll do an hour though. I'll do an hour. It's like 15 minutes left. Like 15 minutes left, so yeah, bro, I was going crazy with the XRP. That shit fucking gave me a nice little dip. Feel me? Buy the motherfucking dip, run that bitch up. Just waiting for price to move this morning. It is very slow, right? It is very slow. So for sure, bro. That's what it's for. That's literally a different experience, you know what I mean? At some groups, you know, they like to direct you to their educators. Like, you feel me? Nigga, I'm not about to direct you to nobody, but coming to watch, see what I do live. Feel me? Simple. He said, "Work your Lucky Charms at. What's up, nigga?" It's like 7:30 right now. You know what I mean? It's crazy because I woke up shit really at like 12. Feel me? Did a session from like 12 to 3. Went back to sleep. Had my alarm set. You feel me? Boom, wake up again at like 5:45. So shit, my sleep been all fucked up. We waiting for the Euro USD to move. It just going up, pulling back. Bro, I'm already knowing. I'm already knowing. You feel me? As soon as I get off this bitch, then this shit fly. You be like, what? Feel me? So yeah, spam the like button. Yeah, spam that shit. I don't know how people watch this shit on YouTube. I'm gonna keep it being with you. Especially this shit. It's the boring part too. Like, no. Y'all crazy. That's why I be trying to make the trading exciting. You feel me? Turn it up. Music. Dance, like something. Cause like seriously, the candlesticks really just print. They be like boom, boom. Like nigga, it don't look at no hour candlesticks. Fuck, bro. That's an hour for every candlestick. So the most action you gonna get is on the 5-minute and the 1-minute charts. You know what I mean? You said you be doing other shit. Oh, I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. I feel like the next level of forex, because forex is simple, right? I feel like the next level of forex is like the psychology, and that's where all the mentors and shit step in. You feel me? A lot of people, they be trying to teach this bullshit. They be confusing everybody on the teaching, but I feel like it's like basketball. Like the fundamentals are simple. You know what I mean? Once you get the fundamentals, if you do go fuck with like coaches and shit like that, then it's like, nigga, you gotta pick up something different. It's the psychology. It's like, nigga, how you really building that account? You know what I'm saying? And that's where that gold come in. You know, that's where that math and science come in. Got a motherfucking degree in forexology. Feel me? Stop playing with me. That's funny. You said the market do people. Yeah, we're gonna go back to it. We're gonna go back to it in a second. I'm gonna switch back in a second. You can watch this thing print. You know, go back to a second. Watch it print. So, nah. Roscoe, don't get no ideas, bruh. Don't get no damn ideas, bruh. He said, don't get no ideas. He said, I'm not gonna lie. I held that Bitcoin signal for 3 days. Hey, easy call, Aaron. Easy call. See, bro got to eat. You feel me? Bro got to eat. Let's get it. Sometimes it's just, you know. He said, how is Forex simple? It must be the account size that makes it easier. Well, look at it like this. Fuck it. Check it. So just on that mindset alone, right? I'm talking to Slime right now. They got the comments. Like I said, you can't see the comments right here for YouTube, but you know the people who are in here, you know they can see what's up. So Forex is simple because like in your mind you make it hard. Once you make it hard, like you come to the game and you it's hard. Okay, it's hard, right? It's simple, right? Like you have to get past that hunch in your own mind. Like once you get out your own way, like I think I got a video on that shit. It was like how to get out your own way trading forex. Once you get out your own way, like it's simple. Like you know what I mean. So that's what we dealing with right now. Feel me? So sometimes the trading sessions be fun. I'm not gonna lie. You feel me? Sometimes they be putting me to sleep, but if y'all, some people just like my voice to be on the TV, so I'm gonna just keep on talking. You know what I mean? Let my voice just be on the TV and talk, and just, you know, everything just move while we move. You feel me? What do I think about retail forex traders forming companies together? So personally, I don't even give a fuck, cause I got my own shit going on. I'm working on my tour. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff. What you guys don't know, I've been drawing shit out since a kid, you know, building what I've been wanting to build. So now I'm just doing my own thing. So I don't really know what people be doing. You know what I mean? Like when I react to videos, you feel me? I just look at that shit, boom, type in the name on YouTube, look at that shit, next, boom, next. I'm checking out so many topics. Like I don't even remember this shit from 2-3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, because I'm putting out so much content. You feel me? So like I can't really tell you, you know, because I don't know. So when people ask me, yo, what do you think about this company? Like, I don't know. I do a Google search, whatever I see in the Google, you know, that's what I have to present. You know what I mean? That's what I think about the company. You know, but that's where we at it with it right now. So it's Euro USD is moving slow, but you know, moving. What are my thoughts on funded brokers like FTMO? I mean, I guess for people who like to make the money from that shit, that's dope. You feel me? I guess it's dope. So he said this man bored with everything. He don't know what to do at this point. Trading at this. I mean, look, cause we gotta really sit here. Look, we was damn here for a whole fucking hour. You know what I mean? Just to let Euro USD rise and shit. Like, come on, man. You know, you said I helped you turn 168 into $1,013 in 3 days last week. Nice. This week is okay for sure, Mister. Do your thing, bro. He said opinion on Safe Moon. Now I feel like a lot of people, you know, in that Safe Moon shit, a lot of people gonna make a lot of money on these new upcoming coins. Like, you know, there's just money gonna be moving. Money gonna be moving. That's what it's gonna be. So you just gotta, you know, I guess trade with the ocean. You know, trade with the ocean. That's gonna get you popping, right? So finally, we getting a little bit of, you know, breakout on this Euro USD. You know, dollar finally dying. Finally about to push to the downside, but we knew that. This shit sitting at consolidation. You feel me? For the people who don't got equity, you can cut and then get back in at 108 if you want to. Boom, run it again. Nasdaq. I know that's not the stop I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna let that shit float. Feel me? I feel like that shit gonna run. This bitch right here is just chilling. You feel me? So we still gotta wait for it to get cracking and move all the way to the top side. But it's not giving us no super gains right now. Euro USD is giving us more pull than this GU. You feel me? Finally. So we can sit over here with this GU, see what's good. Feel me? But I'm only gonna be on here 8 more minutes, so you got to see that Euro USD take off. So now I sit over here, we'll wait for GU to take off. Fuck it. Alright. Man, look, hey, these coins is crazy. No cap, these coins is crazy. You know, coins is crazy. How people just keep coming up with new shit every day. Niggas just waking up making coins. You know, other millionaires is oh fucking let's get in this coin. Like man, bro, I've been going crazy with the scalp joints too. That should be hella fun. It's just, you know, a lot of people don't know how to take their profit. You know what I mean? Like, you get in a trade, sometimes it's just hard to take that profit. Like me, boom, I see the count up, boom, I take it off. I know the market pull back. That motherfucker pull back just like I knew. Sometimes the market keep running, you feel me? So then it's like, fuck, I gotta go find another trade. I gotta go find another shit. So if that's when I get frustrated, you know what I mean? When I flip and shit, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, like, man, once that shit hit TP or hit that little zone, boom, closing out, bam, out of there. You feel me? Or around TP, closing out of there. You feel me? Fuck you talking about? And then boom. So let's say I had 200 in account. Boom, I flip that shit, do like $400 in profit. Boom, I close all them trades out, nigga. Now I got $600. Now I'm waiting for my next few trades. You feel me? Boom. Next thing you know, turn 600 into whatever. But that's how I approach that motherfucker. You feel me? You know, this shit pulling back. I think it's false though. Yeah, I think it's false. Like I said, I'll sit on here with it. I'll sit on here with you. You feel me? While this shit until it push out. Euro USD already moving to the top side, so I'll sit on here with you though. I'm gonna see this bitch through. Some people, oh, I'm gonna get off right now when it's red. Like, nah, I'm gonna see the whole thing through. You feel me? Got you. That's the type of nigga I'm in. Thoroughbred. You feel me? Thoroughbred. Shit, where you want me to start at? I feel like that'd be dope for some YouTube content. You feel me? But even that shit is getting boring and repetitive. Like, how many flip videos you gonna do, my nigga? So I'm definitely Like I'm working with a team now that's just letting me know, you know, like, hey, how to really build up that YouTube, because there's levels to that shit. You feel me? Oh yeah, facts. So GJ will only technically be down like 3 or 4 pips. Feel me? Some people see this right here, the boom, they close. For me, I wouldn't close until it's like probably like 800. Then I'd be like, all right, fuck it. That's a bad trade. You gotta wait for it to set up again. But I feel like what's that post? Hold on, somebody hit me up. I post at 12. And we're on morning at 12. I got you for sure. Easy call, we live. It's going up. Start calling you Flipper, y'all funny. 50? Okay, appreciate it. Yeah, that happened to me. That I was up on a 0.10 silver, and that shit pulled back. It's gonna pull back. You feel me? You said, G, you not high probability? What you mean? I mean, it depends on what you looking at. What you looking at it from. On the 5 minute, I feel like this shit scary. You feel me? Because it's moving back and forth, and it's the candlesticks printing, but like on different time frames, we still got time to go. Like technically, you still got all this shit to go all the way until we get here. So it's a lot of room in that shit. You feel me? It's a lot of room. Will it move up and down? It's for sure gonna move up and down. That's what trades do. You feel me? But you got so much time in this trade, man. That's how I run it. Like I said, I want to sit on here the whole time with you, but this shit might be a minute before fucking print. I'm gonna keep it a bean with you. I'm about to hop off here though in 4 minutes. So 4 minutes, I don't really give a damn what it do. We out of here. I'm out of here. You feel me? 3 minutes now. If y'all got any questions, speak now or forever hold your peace. I'm about to get on Fortnite. Some shit like that. Feel me? So if you play video games or anything like that, you can join me on Twitch, because I'll be on Twitch. You feel me? So I'm about to get off this bitch in like a few. You know what I mean? Let this thing do what it's gonna do. I'm gonna stream on Twitch. I got you. Can you check Golden NAS? You check Golden NAS. You said, is GJ still cracking? What's the price on GJ right now? You tell me. Link to Twitch. I got you. I got you. GJ is a slow motherfucker. I mean, not GJ, GU. This motherfucking Euro trying to bust. You feel me? That shit like the move. That she like to move it. It likes to move it. $149, $948. Oh shit, man. That shit's still chilling, bro. It's in consolidation, man. That shit is in consolidation, man. Stop looking at your phone. That's what it is with you. Like, yeah, I do these lives. You feel me? But stop looking at your phone. Like, that's the only way. Put your stop loss in and go. It's one trade. That's gonna you too damn emotional. But you already know what it is. I'm off here in like 50 seconds. It's your boy Ty. Appreciate everybody for tapping in, being a part of a dope community. We're growing, adjusting. You know, I'm receiving feedback every single day. If you haven't already, If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and leave some feedback for me. Let me know how I'm doing. You feel me? Let me know how I'm doing. That's really the only way, you know, to help me get to the next level and grow. You know, because when you leave real feedback, like when I went to the Trust Pilot and y'all was leaving the real feedback, like, oh, the notifications. I'm like, all right, fuck it. I need to get something that's, you know, going to help the notifications for now as we build what we need to build. And now people are like, yo, you know, we're good. So here's the link right here. I just dropped it in the joint. I don't know if you see that right there, but I just dropped that link right there. So make sure you click on that link, right? Make sure you click on that link and just shit, leave a dope review or shit or whatever type of review. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, that's the link to the Twitch too. So you know, here's GU still. If you want to see what GU's doing, nothing, right? Doing nothing, right? So once again, appreciate you guys for being here. TFX, we going up. If you haven't already, go leave a review. You know, go leave a review while we're still active in live. Go leave a review. You know what I'm saying? It could be whatever star. Like, I want the real review though. Give me a real review. Yo, Ty, your signals is shit. Like, let me know. Let me know. That's the only way I can get better. You know what I'm saying? You could be like, yo, you feel me? I like his signals Monday through Wednesday, but on Thursday, nigga, bro, ass cheeks. You know what I'm saying? So, like, however you want to do it. But I'm about to get up out of here. Peace.